Tabogo. With the floor.
Keeper Tan Buenaflor 5'10 and a half, 2 to 3 played position shooting guard small forward from Talakag, Bukidnon. Nadulaan sa CDO ng mga teams: Abelinosa Farm, Laundry Project, Jackie John Speed Shop, Gal Smith, BBC, Fighter Gold, MMDC, Mayor Haraula Baongon, and Mamay Lechon Manok Libuna. Commercial team: Maandig Games, Mantikaw Invitational second runner-up, Socorro Siargao second runner-up. Selected to play exhibition games against Team Cebu. Champion Barangay Mindagat Malitbog 2023. Pilays Claveria Champion 2023. Araw ng Kasinglot 2023 first runner-up. Napaliran Balingasag 2023 first runner-up. Commercial team Insulin played at Rizal Invitational Zamboanga. Manuel Rosal Invitational Zamboanga. Napulo Malay-Balay Open Commercial first runner-up. Nakadula usab sa Tuod Mantikaw Open Commercial 2023 champion and selected as Mythical 5 Team Abelinosa Farm or La Marcos Clay. Barangay Kapihan Libuna Team Haraula champion and final MVP. Basak Lantapan 2023 champion Team Pinsahan Farm. Tugsaw Resort Basketball League 2023 champion Team Jackie John Speed Shop. Barangay Tagbak back-to-back champion and back-to-back MVP. Fighter Gold Cup CDO Open League 2023 champion and final MVP Team BBC. Ug karong 2024 January, Cruising Libuna Festa League 2024 champion Team Mamais Lechon Manok. Bayanga Festa League 2024 champion and final MVP by Team BBC. Ug atong tanawon niyang dula sa Bayanga Festa League 2024.
Dirito. Number 11, number 10, back to number 11. Pass. Very good. Number 11. Very good. Number 11 for Punta. Number 2. Nice pass to number 11. 3. Pass to number 11. Get that and shoot. Okay. Skip check at the floor. Number 11, number 3. 2 points. Bugaya. Pass to number 11. 2 points.
Bisan pag 6-footer pang matbang sa iya, kaya niya lusutan. Salamat sa inyong pagtanaw. See you in my next upcoming video.